How to change the charging sound on iPhone. Here's how you can do it using the Shortcuts app on iOS 16. First, make sure the Shortcuts app is installed on your iPhone. If you don't have it, you can download it for free from the App Store. Now, open the Shortcuts app. Tap the Automation tab at the bottom. Then select Create Personal Automation. If this is your first automation, simply tap New Automation. Scroll down and select Charger. Choose Is Connected. Now tap Next. Tap Add Action. Search for Play Sound. If you want to use one of Apple's built-in sounds, select Play Sound. If you want to use a custom sound instead, first save the audio file in the Files app. Then tap Add Action, search for Play Sound or Encode Media depending on your setup, and select the sound you want to play. After selecting your preferred sound, tap Next. Review your automation, then tap Done to save it. Now connect your charger to your iPhone. Your selected sound will automatically play whenever your iPhone starts charging. If the automation doesn't run automatically, make sure you've disabled Ask Before Running and allowed the automation to run without confirmation. And that's it! You've successfully changed your iPhone's charging sound on iOS 16. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.